So, going back, after nung incident na yon, pagbaba ko ng stage, kinuha ko yung amulet ko, my own pamahiin, and then I went to her, she's going down at the stage, and then nag-ihip ako sa kanya. Ganyan. So, pagkaihip ko sa kanya, super tapang ng face ni girl at binalik niya sa akin like this. So now, how come nasasabihin mong hindi mo sinadya na lagyan ako ng asin if nung nakita mo akong nag-blow sa'yo is binalik mo rin sa akin? So it only means one thing, you are aware of what's happening. So why are you trying to play victim here? Bakit mukhang ikaw yung sinungitan, ikaw yung minalditahan, ikaw yung pinransyahan or whatever? No, girl. Let's all be honest here. Let's not fake our emotions. Now, etong asin-asin kasi na to, matagal na yan pamahiin. Matagal na siyang pamahiin sa pageantry. And ako, ilang beses ko na na-experience niya na nasabuyan ako ng asin. Ginagawa nila yan dahil tinataboy nila yung luck mo, yung swerte mo. Kumbaga parang if they think that you'll win or ikaw yung magsashine that night, aalisin nila yan, sasabuyan ka nila ng asin. And I think that's totally okay kung yan yung paniniwala mo. But at least do it in a very discreet way, yung walang makakakita or walang makakabuking. And na-offend talaga ako doon and I was really hurt.